Good morning, everybody. Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome to Heidi's Home. If you are new to my channel, I am Heidi. And it is Sunday here, and it is brutally cold outside. So I broke out the heavier sweater today. Long sleeves. Now, the sleeves on this are a little long, but luckily I can push them up. So that's a good thing about the sweater. I'm wearing a black skirt and some tights. So I'm all dressed up for church, but I am warm. So that is all that is important, is being comfortable and warm. I made myself a hot green tea. I have not taken my vitamins yet this morning. I have had an oatmeal. Seems like my go-to breakfast, especially on these wintry, really cold days. My husband is upstairs getting dressed for church. And we go early because they do a 10 o'clock Bible study. And my husband enjoys that. And then we have regular service, which I think starts at, I don't know, 10:30, 11 o'clock. And then we get out of church usually by 12:30. And I get home fairly quickly because I go to church right across the street from where I live. I better get on here and film today while I had the chance. I'm hoping to film for Ronnie's birthday and get that out to you guys. I don't know. We'll see what happens, because if I'm late posting a video, please don't be upset with me. I have been literally running around like a chicken with my head cut off. I've been trying to work out. I have not gained any weight, but this week I did not lose any weight either. And I don't want to say that I'm upset about it, but, you know, it feels good to even lose like a half a pound or 1 pound or something. And I feel like I'm at that slow down stage of weight loss, and I don't like it. And that's even with, I went to the gym Monday, I went to the gym Wednesday, I went to the gym Friday, and I've been on the treadmill every day this week. I call it a treadmill. It's really a walking pad. I do want to put it out there. It's not a treadmill. It's a walking pad. But I got the one with the desk so that I felt like, because Ronnie obviously wants to use it. If you're new to my channel, my husband is completely blind. So I felt like him having something there in front of him made it safer to walk on, so he could kind of get, I don't know, a feel for his surroundings. I'm going to drink my tea. I'm going to take my vitamins. I'm going to quit yammering on. But we are going to get this day started, and I'm going to take you guys along with me. And I feel like this content is like not very exciting, but we're going to roll with it anyways, because that's all that's going on. Hey guys, so I am home from church. Already changed my clothes because it is so cold outside. So cold. Even with a coat on, the wind just cuts you like a knife. So today I'm going to be fixing some lunch. I know you get to always see that ugly looking pantry behind me. But anyways, we're going to be making some lunch today. I always have what I like to call my Big Mac bowls, and I use these turkey burgers, and I just put them in a pan on the stove, and I let those cook up. And then sometimes I add onions, but I don't have any, so it's going to be all right. And then in the air fryer, which I have you sitting on top of right now, I am going to probably make tater tots because they're the easiest. I don't have to cut them and they're ready. And that's what we're going to eat today for lunch. Something easy. I already got everything over here on my stove though for tomorrow for loading the crock pot. And that's going to be a new recipe. And I may video that for a future video. We're just going to have burgers and tater tots, which is absolutely fine with me and my husband, because we love it. I've got some giant pickles I'm going to cut up, and I've got the Big Mac sauce. I use that, I think it's JB or JD Hughes. Let me just get it. This is it. This is the one that I get, and it's sugar-free, and you can tell we like it because you can see how much we've used it all the way down to here. It is delicious, and it really makes a burger taste like a Big Mac without all the added sugar. So I've really cut down on sugar tremendously. I'm going to go ahead and put these burgers on. This is going to be such a good lunch. I can't wait to eat. My pudding for the week. Now, this is a weird angle, but anyways, the best I can do right now. I'm going to be making some butterscotch. I'm going to do 2 boxes, and I'm going to use 1% milk, and I'm going to use my new KitchenAid mixer that my mom got me. So we're going to measure this out. That way I have my desserts for the next 4 days. So we're going to measure out our milk. I'm making the butterscotch pudding. This is the sugar-free. I love butterscotch, but I tell you, the sugar-free chocolate fudge is heavenly, especially if you like chocolate, which I do like chocolate, but I don't crave chocolate, I don't think, like other people do. But I do like chocolate. So there we go. I'm gonna throw this stuff away. And these are the little containers that I use. And I only have 4. I had 5, but I only have 4 because one of them broke. I forget what I put in it, and then I was trying to get it out, and I decided to squeeze, and when I did, I busted it. I hate that, but I think this will be enough. I don't measure out. I just use if I can find it, I just use an ice cream scoop. I just use an ice cream scoop like this and just dip it and put it in, and then it sits up the rest of the way in the fridge. That's what they look like, and then I put them in the fridge to set up, and then I put a little bit of sugar-free Cool Whip on the top. I'm getting ready to go to church again this evening, and I don't know if you can tell, but like major stream of sunshine just right in my eyeball. We're going to Bible study this evening, and then I'm going to come back. Before I leave, I'm going to start a load of laundry, so all I have to do is put it in the dryer. I don't dress up on Sunday nights or Wednesdays, just a sweater, nice pair of jeans, my hair up. Yeah, got major gray going on. I'm a real gal. I don't have time to color it all the time. And let's face it, I just don't care. I really don't at this point. But anyways, I'm going to go to church. And before I go, I am going to start a load of laundry really quickly because I want to not have any dirty clothes when I start the week tomorrow. So I'm going to do that. Then when I come home, I've got a list of things I need to get done. And I got to get up early tomorrow and start my day. We are tackling the sink full of dishes. I do not want to get up on Monday morning and see all of these dishes sitting here looking at me and staring at me in the morning. I just like to get up and start my day with my coffee, not having to worry about cleaning a messy kitchen. So I personally think that getting the dishes accomplished every evening and loading the coffee pot is an exceptional way to start any Monday morning. I am sipping on my hot green tea while I work. I am just trying to stay warm. It is so cold. I did want to point out here that my cold and hot water on my sink are switched underneath the sink. It has been that way since I have moved in this house. One day in the future, I will get a new sink and I will have that fixed to where the hot water is not going to be on the wrong side. I am going to load my coffee pot so I can wake up tomorrow, because actually what happens is Ronnie gets up before me and he comes down and starts the coffee pot. And then when I come downstairs in my robe, my big bunny slippers, I can just grab me a cup of coffee, sit in my chair, and get woke up. And that's how I like to spend my mornings. I'm going to go ahead and lay out my crock pot and everything that needs to be loaded in it. There is no meat out of the refrigerator that needs to be put in this crock pot, so that is awesome. So all I got to do is basically open the cans and dump it into the crock pot and it will be ready. Last but not least, I am going to fold all of my laundry so that I can carry it upstairs and put it away. And for once in my life, which this does not happen often, I will not have a stitch of dirty clothes in this house. Everything has been washed, everything has been dried, everything has been folded, and everything is put up. So that is an amazing feeling to wake up on Monday. Okay, so I got everything done except for running the vacuum up the stairs. I'm going to just wait till tomorrow when I get home from the gym. But I've got the counters wiped off. I got the kitchen table wiped off. I got the dishes done. I got my last load of laundry washed, dried, and folded. And I just got to carry it upstairs when I go upstairs. And what else did I do? I loaded the coffee pot for in the morning. I also got my crock pot out and laid everything that needs to go in it beside it so that it's ready to load before I leave in the morning. I'm really excited about trying that soup. So you'll see that in the next video. I'll let you know if it's any good. So yes, what a day. I will tell you, I didn't get the vacuuming done because I was going to do it when I got home today. But what had happened I hadn't talked to my mom and dad all week, and I hadn't heard from them. Usually they always send me a message, let me know, what they're doing or whatever, nothing big. But I hadn't heard from them, and they were just busy. Nothing was wrong. But I called them today, and I stayed on the phone with my mom for about an hour. And then my husband's best friend called him. And so, you know, it was, and I kind of ended up in that conversation too. So Sunday is kind of a leisure day. However, what I didn't get done yesterday, I did get done today. So I am going to have a good, productive Monday. And I'm looking forward to starting the week off with only having to vacuum. And of course, you know, through the week, I have to wash dishes. I will have to do another load of clothes. I will have to do those things. But my house has been dusted, mopped, the front door, back door has been wiped down. My bedding is clean. There's no dirty laundry once. Just this one, 30 seconds? There's not a stitch of dirty laundry in this house. And, you know, I feel like I'm stepping into the week with my head on. I was going to do some walking on the treadmill. I think I'm going to forgo it because I get up at like 5:30 in the morning to go to the gym. But I will get my treadmill walk in tomorrow for sure. Sunday is really the day that we go to church and just kind of a leisure day, but it's also a reset day. So I'm reset, I'm ready to go. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you're new to my channel, hit that subscribe button and leave me a comment. Let me know. Do you guys reset your house for Mondays? Do you guys do, you know, what I'm doing? So I'll be talking to y'all again soon. Bye guys. Bye.